Yes, it's happening. 2015 Leaf History of Baseball cut signature 102, 103. Let's screenshot everybody in the break. All right, Dan P, you're at the top. Matt K, you're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. And let's roll it through 7. Good luck, guys. Here we go. All right, there's 1. Here comes number 2, 3, razzle dazzle, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes. Jason F, you're at the top. Dan P, you're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into our Leaf Cut Baseball spreadsheet, which is right there. Boom. Here comes a screenshot here for you. Did good for you last time, man. Did good for you last time, just saying. Alright, guys, and last name starts with here. Let me pop that main screen for you. Infraction. Hold on, there was an infraction. I didn't copy it right. Major breaker infraction. There we go. All right. Can't leave Jason F off, man. He might show up. Hey, Steve, what's up, man? Doing well, sir. Can't leave Jason F off, man. He'll show up over here. There might be problems. All right. All right, you guys ready? No trades. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Let's check this one out. All right. Yeah, plenty more of this we can do. I hear you, buddy. Believe me, Jason, I'm the one that's scared, man. Not you. My doors are locked. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. All right. Let's see here. Ooh, nice one, man. Wow, old school. Look at this. Bill Terry right here. Died in 1989. Wow, that's old school. Pretty awesome, too. Check that out. Bill Terry. Yeah. Very nice. Bill Terry right there. 17 of 50. Right to left. T. Dolores C. and C Sport Cards. Very nice. Bill Terry. Very cool. This stuff is great. We got a whole case of this due tonight, so this stuff is great. Let's do some more. Give everybody good luck. Slow unveil. And let's see what this one is. Let's see what this one is here. Holy cow, another legend. Luis Aparicio right here. Check that out. 13 of 43. Now that's a Hoffer right there. Check that out. 13 of 43 right there. Letter A, Jason F. Jason F. Got to use the force. There we go. All right. Very nice. Jason F, that's coming out to you. 13 of 43. Nice hit, buddy. That is a beauty. Right there. All right. Plenty more of those we can do tonight, guys. That'll do it for a 2-box break. 102, 103. Let's save that for YouTube.